My name's Amara Breisch. I'm a musical theater major with a minor in dance. I'm currently a junior, and I'm originally from Grundy, Virginia. We did a workshop of one of Drew's new shows that he wrote, We Aren't Kids Anymore, and I got cast in that as Bonnie. And he came down and he worked with us, and the night of closing, he pulled me to the side and he was like, how would you like to come sing with me in New York? And I started crying because I'm a crier. So I got to sing at 54 Below last week with Drew Gasparini. Drew and I previewed songs from We Aren't Kids Anymore. 54 Below is a big thing. Even Broadway people don't always sing there. And so when you do, it's not only fun, but you know you kind of made it. You're there.